Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2019 Ford Transit. So from any screen, you've got this one here that looks like two cogs meshed together. That's the settings one. So click on settings, and then we just turn this down to Bluetooth, click the center. You've got Bluetooth. If you're having any problems pairing, just make sure there's a tick there, so use the same way to get to it, and then we'll just wind down to view Bluetooth devices. You see there Barry's phone. We go there, click on it, and you've got the choices: connect, delete, or device information. So we want to delete it. Click delete. Delete Barry's iPhone. It's defaulted to yes. Click yes. So that's it. That's how you do that. Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this Ford Transit 2009. First of all, we make sure Bluetooth is on. Just go to the bottom here. Then we go to the two cogs here, the settings, click settings, navigate down to Bluetooth, click the center, the OK button, add a Bluetooth device, search for Ford Transit on your device to start pairing. Ford Transit's already shown up there, so click on the Ford Transit. Just thinking about it. Bluetooth pairing request. Barry's iPhone is trying to pair. Does pin 026358 match the pin on your device? Well, it does, so click pair there, and that's already defaulted to yes, so click yes. And that's it, paired successfully. I don't want to allow my contacts and favorites to sync, but you would. So I'll just click that, and that's it connected. Okay, I'll just show you how to stream music through the Bluetooth audio system in this 2019 Ford Transit. If we go over to iTunes here, you'll see at the bottom there the red triangle with the three red circles. It says Ford Transit. If you don't see Ford Transit there for any reason, just click on it and you'll see. Make sure it's showing up in the screen. If it's not, go back and make sure Bluetooth is ticked. If iPhone's on, all you have to do is just tick that. Right, so we'll go back to. It must have thought I said, hey, SIRI. Okay, so we've got a tune playing here. We'll turn it down. You've no need to turn it down. I'm only doing it so it don't play too long and then become a copyright issue with YouTube. And then we go to the musical note symbol on here. Click on that. It's showing there the tune that's playing on my radio. If it's not, see there, you just may need to click it a couple of times if you've got anything in the auxiliary or the USB, but that's it there. I'll turn that up, and then if I turn it up on here, you'll hear it just to confirm it's playing, but I'll turn it down very quickly. That's it. That's how you do it. Simple and easy system to use. As with everything that, to be fair, that Ford do, it's always proper. Thanks for watching.